Okay, quick tip. On eBay, they sell these aluminum valve cover caps. They're really nice. There's all kinds of different ones with car logos and stuff on them. They're not very expensive. They're aluminum, they're anodized. Problem is, if you leave these on over winter, the anodized aluminum will react with the metal in the valve stem and you will not get these off. You'll have a hard time. So what I do is take a drop of dielectric grease. Any grease will work. And put a tiny little bit on the threads. I wipe it on my pants, of course, before putting the valve cap on for the first time. And don't tighten the crap out of it. And that's it. That will keep them from seizing on. Thanks for watching.